going to be much easier for you if you learn from me rather than believing what these lift companies tell you. The lift companies are not there for you. As I say, you can tell when they're lying because their lips start moving. Yeah. So let's debunk a few of the myths. It's difficult to get in the lift industry. Well, it is if you try and do it by yourself. It's not impossible, but you won't really see, you might see the odd job advertised.
I think Lift Engineer Training Academy seems like a professional company, and Rob comes across very well and easy to talk to. Yeah, hopefully they can help me with my future and get me in the place I want to be.
I think it's very informative. I've learned a lot of things, well, most of it actually, because I come from a railway background. So everything to me is new, especially the part about starting your own business.
And actually Rob was very, I would say, thorough and nice in his presentation. And let's see what will come.
If you don't attend it, you won't know what the course is all about. So it enlightened me more about the getting to the job and make it even more easier for me than the way I look at it from outside.